Hi guys, this is Javier with the QMaster product line. I received a bunch of emails and inquiries on if I could do a basic program or a basic setup for the QMaster Junior. So what I'm going to do is basic setup, show you guys how to do it, walk through a few of the features, maybe show you how to go from automatic to manual mode, and show you how to do a factory reset in case you guys tweak it out and not sure of your settings. Don't be afraid of it. Play with all the buttons. I really emphasize that. Get to know your temperature controller, because these things are accurate. They're durable. It keeps you within a few degrees of your set temperature. And let's get started. So my goal here is I want my pit to maintain 250 degrees. So that's my target temperature, 250 degrees. I'm going to set my alarm low to 235 degrees. My alarm high at 265 degrees. So when the pit temperature goes below 235, the alarm low is going to turn on. The alarm low LED is going to turn on. Same when the temperature gets too high. When it goes above 265 degrees, the alarm high will turn on. Now let's get started. We have the set button, automatic, manual. It's the minus button, the plus button. Minus to decrease, plus to increase. So, first push the button takes you to your target temperature. SC1, target temperature. I want 250 degrees. And the manual and automatic button allows you to toggle through your digits instead of having to sit there and hold it. Let's go to 250 degrees. We'll toggle over. Drop that to 250. Okay, we'll set that. That's our time. 99 means it's going to maintain 250 degrees. If I wanted to maintain 250 degrees for an hour, I'd change it to 60 minutes. The lower display is in minutes when it's in the TC mode, the time mode. Now, alarm low. We decided we're going to go with 235 degrees. So, we could toggle over, or we just hold the button. 235. 30. 5. Hit the set button. Alarm high. We chose 265 degrees over there. So let's go. Set the alarm high to 265 degrees. Now TC2, when it's 000, stages 2 through 4 are off. If you want to turn on the other stages, you would put 001. But we're going to do a single setup. Now, let's save our settings. Let's review. Press set 1. That's our target temperature, 250 degrees. SC1. Time, 999 minutes, which stays on or maintains 250 degrees. Alarm low, 235 degrees. That's what we set it to. Alarm high, 265 degrees. 64 degrees. Close enough. SE2. 0. So there you have it. That is the basic setup. Basically, that's all you're going to use unless you want to go into the advanced features. You could also go from automatic mode to manual mode. Press the auto manual button, and now you're in manual mode. You could decrease, you could turn off the fan. You could increase the speed of the fan. You can't really tell on this one because I got the 10 CFM fan. But, you know, I have a 50 CFM fan here. Let's swap it. Okay, let's increase the speed on the 50 CFM fan. I'm sure you could hear it. Okay, it'll take you as far as 255. It's blowing a lot of air. Now, let's drop it back down. And then once again, you could go to automatic mode or manual mode. We're going to go back to 100. Okay, there you have it. A manual mode, automatic mode. I'm going to go ahead and change it back, change the fan, the 10th fan, because this one's a little loud. Okay. And it's not really about the amount of air in the CFMs. Simply the fan just feeds the fire oxygen. You want to maintain your target temperature. If you feed it too much air, it's going to be hard to stabilize it. Although you can tune down the fan to 25 CFM, 10 CFM, 5 CFM. You can go into that later, or if you choose to purchase one, I'll throw in a little instruction guide and you guys could find out how to do that. Now, let's go ahead and turn on the stages 2 through 4. Oops, there it goes. So stages 1 through 4 we're going to go through. And if you have any questions, here's my email. Go ahead, feel free. Send me an email. I've been getting quite a few emails. So hopefully I can get back to you in the same day. Or if you need to talk to me, email me. We'll set up an appointment and I could call you. I usually do 4 or 5 technical calls every evening. Okay, now let's go change our settings. Okay, original settings, target temperature 250 degrees. Our time's 999. Alarm low 235. That's what we set it for earlier. Alarm high is 264. Okay, now this is the screen. You would change it to 001 to activate cooking stages 2 through 4. Now, it gives us time for cooking 2, alarm low for 2, alarm high for 2. And you could go in there and change your temperatures, same as before. Toggle up, toggle down. Auto manual button takes you to the next digit on the left. Okay. SC3, and we're in cooking stage 3. Time for 3. Say you're in stage 3, you want it at that temperature for, I don't know, 90 minutes. We'll go turn off the go change the 900 to a 0. And we'll change that 9 to a 0. So now the time it's going to stay in cooking stage 3 is 90 minutes. Alarm low. You go in and change the alarm low to whatever temperature you set. SC3. Alarm high for 3. Cooking stage 3 now takes us to cooking stage 4. Time for 4. Alarm low for 4. Alarm high for 4. Now say you're in here playing with it, you don't know what you did with it, because it could be a little confusing. And you go in there, you tweak something, you know, and you don't know what you did. So the good thing about the Junior, if the power goes out, it saves the settings you programmed it to. And you can always reset it to factory default. Turn the Junior off for at least 3 seconds. Then you're going to hold down the manual automatic button and turn on the power switch. At the same time, you're going to continue holding the manual automatic button down for about 3-4 seconds. You'll see it go through the boot up sequence. Okay, we're holding auto manual. Turning the power switch on. There you go. We're back to factory default. F, if you see the F, you're in manual mode. Go ahead and Crank it up to 100 and your fan starts spinning. Hit the manual automatic button again. You're in automatic. SC1, T1, alarm low for 1, alarm high for 1, SC2, 0, 0, so cooking stages 2 through 4 are off. And there you go, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free, email me. If you purchase a QMaster from us, my phone number is in there. We're here to help you guys out if you guys have any questions. If you guys have problems with your devices, feel free, send them in. I'll take a look at them. Usually takes me about a week to get them back to you. Make sure you include a return postage, because I'm not going to pay for your device going back. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's a little helpful. Good luck and keep smoking and grilling. Have a good night.